Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will cover a round command in Creo Parametric. So basically friends, round command is very important command in modeling for any kind of models like plastic model, casting model, sheet metal we can say. So in any kind of design we use a round command. Okay. So identify round command into the Creo Parametric. So just go and open first your model, then go into the model tab, and in this tab just click on the round command. So if you click as a drop down menu here, we have a drop down menu for the round command. So there are two commands into this. So first one is the round and second one is the auto round. Okay, so step by step we will come up with these two commands. Okay, so first of all is the round command. So basically understand round command. Round is apply on the edges. So here two surfaces are met. So one edge is coming over here. So just click on this edge. So while clicking the edge, automatically the round is coming with some radius value. So we can edit this value, put it as a 10 or whatever the requirement is, and just click on the OK command. So round is generated. If you want a different round to the different edges, so if you want the same round to the same different edges, just click press Ctrl and just click other edges only. So you will get the round to the other edges. Okay. So we will create this round command first, and we come up with the auto round command. Auto round command is basically just create the round to every edge which is seen into the model. It is very easy command. Just only two scenario in this command. Just only click on the auto round command. If we here we have a radius value and two different scenarios for the auto round. Okay, so just edit the radius value. We will put it as a 3. Okay, and just click scroll and just click OK. So if you see, at every edge we have a radius value. No need to click multiple times. So if we have a defined round value to all the parts, all the edges, so we can use a auto round command. But basically auto round command is very rarely used. Okay, so if you want to control some edges on the auto round command, just go into the auto round, edit definition. So if you do not want to the round to this circle edge, just click here, just click wherever you do not require the round, just click by pressing the Ctrl and just click OK. You see that round is not coming on the selected edges. Hope you all understand the round command. Thanks for watching.